Hello and welcome to module number 11. In this module, we are going to learn how to customize our product page and make it look way more professional, and also considering the conversion rate optimization checklist. So we are going to follow this checklist and ensure that we are somewhere around this checklist. And yeah, let's get started without wasting any time. So basically, we can simply customize our product page by going to this product, and now we can go ahead and select the product template. Before that, if you want to create multiple templates, you can create multiple template by clicking the create template over here, and you can assign different templates for different products. I'll just do it for a dummy product or demo product, or maybe I'll just use for earrings for now. Okay, earrings, always the wrong spelling. So I'll create a dummy collection for earrings, and from the backend of our product, we can select that particular. So I'll just select I'll just search, possibly I'll search. I'll add a filter actually. Okay. Yeah, I'll just have to search the one which is with type. All right, so I'll select the earrings only. All right, so earrings, 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 earrings. Okay, and I'll bulk edit this. With the bulk edit, you can basically bulk edit any number of products. All right, in Shopify. So in this, I want to change the template. The template can be changed by simply clicking on the template, and now I have two templates, I guess, over here. One is product earrings, which I created just right now. So I'll select this for all of them. Instead of going through each product one by one, I have done it in bulk, so that saves a lot of time. Or possibly, you'll be able to do it once you see it. And now you have also learned how to even bulk edit. All right, so yeah, I'll just use earrings over here. Yeah, save it. And now with that done, I have for earrings a separate template which I can use for earrings, and similarly we can create for different products. We can keep the same for all products or different for different products, but yeah, it's up to us. Depending upon the requirements, we can change the layout of different products, or if you want to keep it same and uniform, we can use the same. All right, so for now I'll just go with the default one, and any changes made in this default template would not affect the earrings template at all. So that's the case over here. So okay, let's customize and make it look way much better. Although Shopify provides the templates, are provided templates are already pretty much good and neat, but there are things like you may also like. So I'll just go ahead and go to product card, and let's see the standard card, and yeah, I'll just use the standard card, and let's see what we can do with our products over here. Product cards is standard. Okay, let's do it cards actually. So we have this related products, and in related products we can make it square over here. And I guess I'll have to select yeah, it's already selected actually. So I'll save it. Now let's follow our checklist over here. So we should be using high quality product image with zoom functionality. So by default, Shopify does come up with this functionality of zoom, which is pretty much decent, and you should not be worrying about this too much. It is by default very accurate and it's good enough. Let's focus on some other stuff, because that's more important in terms of how we should be using. So media width should be smaller, not too big, and not too small. All right. Original, so desktop layout, we can make it thumbnail carousel, this one, which is also a good option over here, which is provided by Shopify. We don't want to hide thumbnails in mobile. We want to keep the thumbnails in mobile, because that helps navigate the product. Or if you want, you can simply make it into two rows, or maybe hide the thumbnails depending upon your requirements. But yeah, it's a good practice to show the thumbnails, because that keeps the person engaged. So we'll keep the padding less over here again. And yeah, we can even click and hover. So there are different options which are available. I prefer to go with this check this light box, which is pretty much decent. And let's save it. Now we'll do one thing. We'll have to add few more stuff over here. So we should be adding the description, etc. over here. So usually the description of the product comes up like we have this description up, but instead of showing it like this, we can show it in terms of tabs. So for tabs, we can simply go ahead and select the collapsible row which Shopify provides. We can then name the collapsible row as description, and we can select the check mark or whatever we need for. Okay, we can add description, and then from over here we can also select a dynamic source from whatever we need. We can add the content which is of this particular page. We can show the content in this, and yeah, we can show the icons if needed. For example, I need a description, a checkbox like this, and then for other parts, like we can also show like item details. So divide it into parts, so ensure that people are able to see these, and it's less space occupying and gives more data. All right, and people are able to select the tabs, and based upon the tabs they can see the content. All right, well, to be honest, I don't see the option available over here, but let's cover that as well. I'll cover that as well, but it's just for now. We are going to keep this as it is, and then we will also add another collapsible row over here, and possibly it should be it can be maybe we can just use how to use, just like this. So we can select any icon for now. For example, I'll just select okay, possibly we can use, instead of this, return and return and shipping. So it's a good practice to provide return and shipping over here. Gives provides trust and builds trust with the customer that yeah, they are giving us return and yeah, so return and shipping. And yeah, we have these three, and we can just select the pages, the dynamic content from over here. I'll tell you how to add the dynamic content over here in detail in another module, but for now we'll just keep the layout to be like this. One important thing we can add over here is let's see, we can add this inventory status, which would be the status of what we have at the moment. So it would show the low inventory count. If there is a low inventory count, it should be visible over here. So yeah, let's see, because I guess I'm not tracking the inventory over here, but subtitle, let's see, and yeah, we can just show this inventory status, but I'll hide it for now. But I'll work on this part because it's not visible. I'll just see how we can show it to you. Meanwhile, we can add a pop-up. Well, why a pop-up and the complementary products? Now this complementary product is a very good strategy of uh, upselling any products. So you can simply add this, like pairs well with and this should be a collection you can select, and the collection which you can select would be coming dynamically. So this dynamic collection can be set from over here, and you can use the search and discovery app which we recently installed. So let's go ahead and go in the search and discovery app, and we can add different collections over here. So let's see, wow, we can add okay, yeah, customize filter, and let's see, where are other parts over here? Not this one, but yeah, it should be over here. Okay, customize filters, and yeah, we have filters over here. It's not showing yeah, just one second. Meanwhile, it's loading in the back end. I'm just gonna cover the other steps, like if we want a pop-up, I'll just save it. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'll just add more like pop-up over here, and let's see, if we add pop-up, now we can select the pop-up thing. In this, I want to show the size chart. Usually it's not available for this size guide. I guess it's not visible for this necklace, but yeah, I'm just including it for other parts. So keep the size guide just maybe above above this part. And yes, we are going to remove the spacing. If you're concerned about the spacing, we are going to remove the spacing. Meanwhile, it was loading. I'll just reload it once again, so that I'm able to see this search and discovery app, and we can click on the recommendation to add a recommendation for products. So for example, for this particular product, I can add recommendation like dainty gold necklace. I can add recommendation over for this. I can add this recommendation. So yeah, we can add the auto generated recommendations. So we can simply add these ones. or maybe we can just select the ones which we need. So we can add recommended products like this, just like this. Okay, and yeah, and save it for this particular product. So I'll just okay, I'm gonna also add for this particular product as well. So 7 Shakira, and yeah, this one I'm gonna add randomly add at least 4. All right, so this is added, saved, and now I should be able to see the product recommendation. Usually it should be available. Yeah, I didn't add it over here, so I'll have to add that complementary product, and it should show this. All right, and let's add this below this, and number of rows, maybe I'll just image ratio as portrait, and quick add button should be available for these products. It's just a quick selling and pairs well with something like this. All right, so we can keep it this way also, or there are other ways we can put it through. All right, so yeah, this is how we can show it like this. And let's see, make it 3, and after 3, so we can keep it like this only, and possibly we'll remove some spacing over here and over here. But yeah, you'll see in my template, the one which I have created, all the spacing etc are completely removed, so you can use that, and for your website. And I update it on a monthly basis or weekly basis, depending upon the workload which I get. But yeah, I'll keep that updated with the latest Dawn theme, or the one which I would be using. So I'll keep that updated. So yeah, I'll just remove the spacing in my theme itself, but we can just play around with the size guide. We can keep it here also, but it's better to keep the size guide above quantity, or below quantity, so that people can simply see the overall the overall size guide of that particular product they are ordering. All right, and then finally we have this product description, and we have to keep it simple. We'll check the checklist. We have this clear description, and then pricing, and highlighted discount or special offers, real-time stock availability. So we can just create a real-time stock availability thing, which will basically that is done with the help of custom code, but in my theme I'll be providing you with that also. So display product reviews, so for that we'll have to install a product review app. We'll do that later, but what we can do is we can add frequently asked question on product page. So and the FAQs we can add over here, so that would be over in this part. So let's see, collapsible content, which would be the FAQs. All right, because most of the customers might have certain questions regarding the product itself, and there are some general questions which comes up, and we'll have to ensure that each of them is handled separately. So yeah, we can add some questions over here for our customers. And then like if we have a customer reviews app, for now I'll just be using Judge Me, because it's a very good app, and you can again install the app by using the link below. I'll share the link in my description, and you can use that particular app, or you can see it in the sheet itself. So we'll install the app, and with that our product page is almost done. The last thing we can do is for customer the conversion rate optimization is to build trust with the customers, so we can have some trust icons that uh, ensures that the overall product they are buying is secured and safe. And we can just add an icon over here, so we can just add an image like this, so icons with text, so there it's secure and so on. So for example, we can just simply add some secure icons over here. So yeah, because usually what happens is customers come to the website, and if they see the website and they do not trust the website, we have to build little bit of trust with the customers, so that they are not reluctant in going to the checkout, and they are they feel it safe to buy the product from the from you. So meanwhile, I'll just add the app called Judge Me. So we can just search for Judge Me product reviews app, and you can simply install it. And this is a build for Shopify that doesn't affect the speed of the website, so you need not to worry about the speed issues. So it's very it's free to install, free to use. There are certain features which require some plans, but in most of cases it doesn't require any plan. But yeah, so we can just simply go with this setup guide, and then we it gives us the app embed option. And well, let's see, we have this activated now. And yeah, continue, try again, and yeah, it's already enabled. It's enabled, but I guess I didn't save it. Yeah, I saved it right now, and yeah, we have to continue. And then we can install this widget. Well, the widget is very simple to install. For example, in this particular product only, we can install the widget. Yeah, you see, this product is looking pretty much nice and cool with all our adjustments. So we can install the widget from over here by selecting the widget, review widget. And this is the review widget. Actually, this is the review widget, sorry. So we'll have to add our star ratings over here. So the star rating would be visible over here. You'll see the star rating. I want it after the title. So with that, you can add this to your store, and now we do have our product with a star rating, and we can also write reviews for the customer can also write reviews for our product. All right, with that, I guess we have covered most of the parts of our product page. There are still more things I'll be covering in upcoming tutorials, but up till now, I guess you might have just learned a lot of how you can customize your product page, and there are different things we can add. Or I'll just show you some icons which we can add. Maybe I'll just add a section so that you'll see image with text. No, I don't need this image with text. I need simple icons. So image with text icons. So yeah, I need it vertical, and I don't need the second one. I don't need the second one. I don't need the second one. I don't need this one. I don't need this one, because we are using the free theme, and I'm here to show you how to change things with the free theme only. All right, so I'll select the one which is with heart, and we can add certain things over here. So let's see what we can add. So I'll just add this trust building icons over here, which gives trust to the customers that this product is good. And yeah, first image is good. Okay, so our guarantee. Okay, I guess this is not showing it in the way I imagined it, but let's see what we can do over here. We can add a text, not the text, but probably text. Does it this text provide no? I guess I'll have to give you a section which you can use in the theme itself, which should provide you with somewhat. I'll just show you an example of the website we are talking about. So what I'm talking about is this part, and yeah, we have more of the information over here. Again, this is using the free Shopify theme. All right, so somewhat like this, what we are looking for. All right, so even the size chart gives somewhat size chart. So yeah, so that covers almost everything in this tutorial.